guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Limi. Today I'm gonna be making candy cane cookies. These are the basic classic Christmas cookies to create sweet holiday memories. Usually we make the candy cane cookies from the basic ones and decorate them with the candy cane icing. But in this video, in my recipe, I make it much simpler. Just to form one dough and cut into pieces and food coloring them into different colors. And then twist the colorful doughs to look like the real candy canes. We only need 5 ingredients: the all-purpose flour, egg, butter, 2 cans of sugar, the granulated sugar and confectioner sugar, and definitely we need the food coloring red and green. Now let's get started to make our candy cane cookies. First, we will need the room temperature butter. This one I just took it out from the fridge, so I'm gonna microwave it for 10 seconds to make it softened. Place 5 tablespoons of butter into a large mixing bowl. Use electric whisk to cream the batter. After the butter is creamed, we just add 1¼ tablespoons of sugar and continue to beat the batter. Add 1 tablespoon of the confectioner sugar and continue to beat. Now the batter color turns a little bit white and the volume gets increased and the texture looks like feather is fluffy. Next step, we will add the beaten egg into this batter mixture, but we will need to beat this egg first. Beat the egg. Add the beaten egg gradually and for 3 times. So first time, just 1/3 amount of the beaten egg. And use electric whisk to mix them together. And for the second time. And add the rest of the beaten egg. After this step, this egg and butter mixture is not what I really expected because the egg is not fully incorporated. I took the egg right from the fridge and the temperature is too cold. It's better that you can use room temperature egg. It's okay, it's fine. We can fix it because next step we're going to sift the 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour into this mixture. We just need to use hand whisk instead of electric whisk to mix them on low speed to make them incorporated and get a smooth batter. 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour. Use hand whisk to mix them together on low speed, slowly and steady, until they are well combined. See, this time we save the batter mixture and now our dough forms. So until you see there is no dry flour, then it's ready. And we will separate them into 3 pieces. The one is just for the regular color, the other 2 are for the green and red. First, the 1/3 amount, put in a plastic wrap. This original color dough is wrapped up and we will chill it. For the rest of the dough, we need another container to hold because we need to color them in different colors, the red and the green. And now add the food coloring and the green. Put this one aside and use spatula to mix. I really don't know why my red food coloring turns a little bit purple. I just go with it. So today we will have a kind of like a pink purple candy cane. Now we are gonna fridge them for 30 minutes to chill the dough. See you in 30. Now these doughs are chilled. We just unwrap them and we're gonna work with them to make the candy cane cookie. It looks like this green dough is still kind of like sticky, so we're gonna roll it on a floured surface to make it less sticky and we can work with it. Sprinkle some flowers. Roll and form until it's less sticky. We don't have to knead it. It's already less sticky now. So this dough is good to go. Let's make this green and purple. Should be red. Candy cane cookies first. So just take a small amount from the green and small amount from the purple. And we're gonna need to roll them into long straps. It does not have to be perfect, just cross each other and continue to do so. Next, we're gonna roll these combined straps to make them combined together. It's ready, and we need to make the candy cane shape. Let's make a 3-color candy cane. I had so much fun making those candy cane cookies, and I also managed to have one Christmas tree and another Santa hat. Now we're ready to bake them off at 320 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 minutes. If you have some leftover dough, and see you in my next video to make some fun cookies. Wow, it smells so great! Yay, they turned out so cute! Let them cool down and we will have a bite. They turned out so great, so cute! Look at this! The candy cane cookies! They're so crumble. So this one, I just put it as the basic cookie flavor. And if you like the peppermint flavor or peanut butter flavor, you can add the peanut butter powder or extract peppermint to get some more flavors. But if you put in the peanut butter powder, just replace it with the equal amount flour. And here is the tip. Because the batter dough is very easy to get soft and sticky, if in that way you can just put it back to the freezer and freeze it for 5 to 10 minutes, then it will get back to the solid shape and you can continue work with it. Or you can just put in some flour on the surface to make it less sticky. I hope you like this recipe and love my video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. And also please comment down below. Let me know your favorite candy cane cookies. Please subscribe me for more. Happy holidays! See you real soon in my next video. Bye!